Hello students. In the previous chapters we have studied the basic concepts in electrostatics and magnetic fields. These fields do not change with respect to time. So hence such a fields are considered as a static fields or time invariant fields. Means they are having electrostatics and magnetic fields. So these fields are not changing with respect to time. So such a fields are considered to be as a static or time invariant field. Now, in case of electromagnetic fields, the electric and magnetic fields are independent of each other. So, electric and magnetic fields are both independent. You already know electric field is there, magnetic field is there. So, both electric and magnetic field are independent of each other. In general, what is the thing is the static fields are produced by stationary electric charges. So, static fields are produced by what? Stationary electric charges. While static magnetic fields are what? Produced by the motion of electric charges. Motion of electric charges with uniform velocity, or the magnetic charges, right? Thus what we can say is the source of electrostatic field is the electric charge, while that of magnetostatic field is the current through the filament. Now this is about all of what we have discussed in the previous chapters regarding electrostatic fields and magnetostatic fields, how these are produced, and how these are time invariant. These are time invariant, right? Now in this chapter what we'll do is we will discuss, we are now able to study the time varying fields, that is introduction part. So here we how these time varying fields are produced. So these time varying fields are nothing but due to time varying currents, right? The time varying currents, so there is what time varying electric field can be produced by the time varying magnetic field. Similarly, time varying electric field can produce the time varying magnetic field. So thus unlike static fields, in the dynamic or time varying fields, the electric and magnetic fields are interdependent. So these are interdependent with respect to each other. So that is what two concepts can be introduced. That is what already I have discussed. The electric field produced by the changing magnetic field by Michael Faraday. You know that electric field will be produced by changing magnetic field. There is one done by Michael Faraday, and one more is the magnetic field produced by changing electric field. That is nothing but formed by James Clerk Maxwell. That is what you can change the magnetic field by changing the electric field, right? So in this chapter we will study the four basic equations of electromagnetic theory presented in this chapter. That is what by Maxwell equation. Okay, now already I have told that previously only electrostatic fields are produced by the static electric charges, while the magnetostatic fields are produced by what? Electric charges with uniform velocity, that is direct current, or static magnetic charges, that is magnetic poles, right? Now time varying fields are nothing but, or waves, you can tell that, are usually due to the accelerated charges or time varying currents. So that is what time varying currents. So this is the introduction part of a time varying fields.